Misal pav.
Misal pav, sali botti. So that's Marathi versus Parsi. Patrani machi or surmai paplet fry. Oh, you try the last one.
Upahar Gruha or Parsi cafes. Okay, now this is only because I love
This
non-veg.
could be a very controversial question.
I know, but I love
there's so many layers of wrong things to say here.
So between misal pav and sali
take them one
boti,
at a time, exactly.
I would go for sali boti.
100%.
I love mutton.
100%.
I love it.
The guy, if he could afford sali boti, would be eating it. He's just misal pav is a little cheaper. Let's be honest, that's the reason.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one of the
Patrani
reasons.
machi or surmai fry. I'd go for surmai fry.
That all depends on taste. Since
I like surmai
they're both
fry.
fish, so it's a
And
difficult
Upahar Parsi cafe any day.
thing. What do you get in Upahara Gruha exactly?
Misal pav and the
So limited,
sabudana vada,
no?
and it's all vegetarian. And I'm being honest. I like my non-veg.
Okay, fair. And you're seeing it, and she's a daughter of the soil. Huh? You're
Yeah.
proper Marathi mulgi. So if
hardcore.
so from
Hardcore.
that, without being impartial, you said I prefer the Parsi food.
Absolutely.
And I also prefer the Parsi food. So 2-0, Liverpool lead at halftime.
I love my non-veg.
Yeah, okay, fair. But it's a good question.
I love the
I don't know why my wife gets very angry when we have these arguments because she says food has to be respected. She goes a little emotional about all that. I've always thought that food should not be respected to that extent.
Food should be loved, no?
No, you like it or you don't like it. How can you have strong feelings without strong feelings the other way?
No, like
It's not
I
possible.
remember watching this. So I keep watching you and Kunal all the time on my reels.
Well, we're not
I'm
together all the time.
Nah, that I know.
We shower separately.
I know.
As of now.
So Cyrus says, and khane mein kya hai? And there was this one time where you said that, hey, I don't like poha, and it's fine.
I don't like poha.
And I'm just like,
I mean,
you know,
the list of 4-letter words, it's one of the... Okay, carry on. Too much? Sorry. Why don't like it? Why lie?
Why lie? Exactly. That's my point. Why
taste
lie?
is subjective. How can you like everything? It's not even about veg, non-veg or whatever culture the food is from. At the end of the day, what you like, you like.
You like, that's
My
it.
wife, you shouldn't... Because I start saying things like, and all that. And she takes offense. Then the kids start doing that. So there's 3-4 of us at the table going, She's like, how can you do that? It's food, blah, 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 blah. But I think you have to do that.
You have to love your food, no?
Like do you find all men attractive? No. There's some men you find attractive.
But I find Kunal very attractive.
Okay, fine. I mean, that's because you're eating the wrong food. But the point of the matter is that, you like some men, so you'll go like, wow. And then you like some men, you go like, I mean, even if you don't do it publicly, but in your head you're doing it, right? So why are we lying?
Most men,
Yeah, you're telling me. I'm to all men. Look at these chutes. Hi guys, how are you? Don't edit that, huh? Keep that. That's the most important. People want to know.